On behalf of the Councilor Andres C. Cruz, as regards to the committees, Councilor Rector Calderon and now Enrique Capel, the Committee on Rules shall lead as to regards to which we shall probably next session we can propose a measure that will answer the best answer problems. Second section 24 of our rules suggests that majority of members of the entire rules shall vote to fill any vacancies of such committees. Okay, so for now, because we have guests, tayo po ngayon ay binisita ng ating grupong bayan, ng mga pangalan ni Alan de Leon, dito rin po at binisita tayo ng ating mga representatives from DILG Region 4A, Ma'am Sally, Sila Mayor, Ma'am Melanie Enomis, and Sir Joachim Langka. So welcome po sa bayan ng Taytay. So Ma'am, Councilor Papa Bruce, Councilor Lane.
Thank you, Mr. Representative Officer.
Councilor Lane, Gerardo is recognized at 1:55 p.m. Councilor Philip Jason Cruz. I'd also like to move for the suspension of rules so that we can give the floor to our guests. There is a motion to suspend the rules to welcome our guests, and second to the motion, seconded by Councilor Jacob Villanueva, Councilor Toby Cruz, Councilor Guillermo, Councilor Janina, and Councilor Mercado. Any objection? If none, rules are hereby suspended. Welcome po sa bayan ng Taytay. I believe kasama niyo. We will allow Ma'am Jen to lead yung po ating ceremony. Welcome po Ma'am Jen sa our DILG.
Good afternoon po sa ating pong presiding officer, of course sa ating pong mga councilors, and members of Assembly and Bank, of course sa ating pong honorable officer, and of course sa ating mga kasamahan po nandito. May I call po ang ating pong mga kasamahan from the DILG Region 4A. Actually po yung pong award po natin, Digital Governance Award po ay nakagay na po sa ating pong banner, but ngayon lang po ibigay po yung ating pong proper information. So, may I request po ating pong kasamaan, Ma'am Charis, Ma'am Melanie po, sa from Region 4A, for the formal po na awarding po ng ating recognition. Of course, ang ating pong, may call for us sa ating pong punong bayan, Mayor Alan de Leon.
Everybody is requested to come in front to accept the award.
Ikaw lang mag-camera na.
Again, awards for the municipality of Taytay ay tatlo po ito. So, nahin na po yung isa. Digital Governance Awards, LGU's Best Practices in ICT. Is awarded to Taytay Rizal as second place for the municipality category. Best in EGO Business Empowerment.
Ikaw si Jeka.
Awarded by, or signed by our Secretary, former Secretary Eduardo Anyo. The DILG, from the DICT, Sir Gregorio Nasan second, and from the NICT, Sir Michael Pili. For the second award, it's given to the municipality of Taytay Rizal for second place. Best in Field of Government Internal Process G2I Awards. Same given by from the NNCP, Sir Michael Lim, from DRCT, Sir Gregorio Nasa II, and from the DRLG, Former Secretary Eduardo Anyo.
Wow.
Ito yung pinakamalaki. The third award given to the Municipality of Taytay Rizal as first place for the category of municipality. Best in COVID-19 Pandemic Response G2P Awards given by the former Secretary Eduardo Anyo from the DILG, from DICP, Sir Gregorio Nasa II, and from NICP, Sir Michael Liu. Congratulations po.
Okay, ready?
Nagugulat si Consi Jeka sa'yo, ah.
May we request our Honorable Mayor Alan for an acceptance speech.
In behalf po ng ating pong mga opisyalis ng bayan ng Taytay, sa ating pong mga department heads, sa lahat po ng ating mga naglilingkod sa ating pangalaang bayan na ito po ay arangalan po ng bayan ng Taytay. Muli po, tuloy-tuloy na po at let's smile Taytay. Magandang araw po. Thank you.
I think we represent the DILG and our mayor. Minute of recess.
RJ. Ay, tatangla. Napuno nila ko. Napuno nila may salita si Pogi. Para jojolit ka ka Nechiwa. Okay, gawin mo. Okay, gawin mo.
Okay, ready?
Bye tayo. Masin naman. La Cruz.
Thank you po.
Tama po. Ready, 1, 2, 3, and
Ay, sama kami.
La Cruz.
Ready, 1, ring.
Salamat po. Wala kami